Welcome to the 001 trial. After the announcer tells you what you need to find, then you have to pick it up. Good luck! And so, the time is gone. Find the battery. Find the box. Find the tray. Thank you for completing this test. There were some hiccups, but you passed for stars.
So we met. Man, I don't want to hurt you. I just want to ask for help. We need to kill the rabbit on the floor below. Let's go to the elevator. I'll stay here. Check the elevator.
Well, the patient. Hello. My name is Sursur. Our task is to reach the elevator from Sursur. And when we get to the elevator, we need to turn it on from the control panel. Now it's time to fix the elevator. No, patient, stop. The elevator.
You're going to die? The traitor.